The same thing every day. Fewer friends, less family. Girlfriend dumped. Do they think you're weak? Don't want to meet you. It's time to prove them wrong. Rule number 1. The beginning of everything is emptiness, but it must be filled. Rule number 2. To achieve what you want, one desire is not enough. You need to make a decision. Only in this case there will be opportunities. Rule number 3. Never treat the opinion of others as the ultimate truth. It is impossible to be good for everyone. There will always be detractors. Don't let them get the better of you. Rule number 4. A person tries to change his life, but old stereotypes and habits hinder him. They are always trying to get him back to his usual pastime. Therefore, changes are always very slow and require a lot of mental costs. Rule number 5. Like is always attracted only by like. There is nothing accidental in life. We attract to ourselves not those people whom we would like to see around us, but those who are completely similar to us. Remember these rules forever. These rules will change your thinking to a new level. The rules are made to follow them. Follow our rules and you will become a man. Also subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos.